separate myself from you. After so much suffering, I finally found unvarnished truth. Was all by myself for the longest time, so cold inside, and the hurt from the heart, it would not subside. I felt like dying until you saved my life. Thank God I found you. I was lost without you. My every wish and every dream somehow became reality when you brought the sunlight, completed my whole life. I'm overwhelmed with gratitude, 'cause baby, I'm so thankful I found you. I would give you everything. There's nothing in this world I wouldn't do to ensure your happiness. I'll cherish every part of you, 'cause without you beside me I can't survive. Don't wanna try. If you're keeping me warm each and every night, I'll be alright, 'cause I need you in my life. Thank God I found you. I was lost without you. My every wish and every dream somehow became reality when you brought the sunlight, completed my whole life. I'm overwhelmed with gratitude. Baby, I'm so thankful I found you. I'm so thankful I found you. Somehow became reality. Brought the sunlight, completed my whole life. Baby, I'm so thankful I found you. Overwhelmed with gratitude, 'cause baby, I'm so thankful I found you. I'm overwhelmed with gratitude, my baby. I'm so thankful I found.
Yan! Sandali! Sapatos mo!
Thank you, Mark.
Sabay siya!
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, Mark.
Yan, sandali! Bulaklak mo!
Eh, salamat, Mark. Ang love, parang pelikula. Minsan, comedy. Minsan, drama. Kung minamalas-malas ka, nagiging aksyon o kaya suspense. Minsan pa nga horror. Pero sa dinami-rami ng pwedeng mangyari, ang hindi dapat mawala ay ang romance.
Romance na parang gusto mong abutin ang langit. Na sa bawat paghakbang mo, tumatalon ang puso ko. Ang bawat tinig mo, musikang papakinggan ko. bawat ngiti mo, nabubuhay ako. You were late. Akala ko hindi mo na ako sisiputin. Vivian Vizcara.
Pwede ba naman yun?
Hindi. Dahil alam mong higit ka pa sa pangarap ko. Higit ka pa sa puso ko. Mahal na mahal kita, Vivian Vizcara.
Hindi mabibilang ang patak ng ulan. At katulad nun, hindi rin mabibilang ang maraming beses, ang paulit-ulit na beses, napipintig ang puso ko para sa'yo. Mahal na mahal din kita, Carlo. Masarap ma-inlove sa mga pelikula. Pero alam mo, mas masarap ma-inlove sa totoong buhay.
Dahil sa totoong buhay, hindi nagtatapos ang pagmamahal.
Kahit pa lumabas na ang credits at nagpaalam na ang mga bida, sa totoong buhay, walang happy endings.
Dahil sa totoong buhay, lagi at laging pwedeng magsimula muli.
May gusto ka bang sabihin?
Hindi mapakali at hindi makatingin.
Sana'y wag mo na tong palipasin.
Subukang lutasin ang mga sinabi mo na